am using crayons today. When I use a crayon, I grab it between my thumb and my pointer finger. I wrap my fingers around the back. You will do a value scale where you color light, medium, and dark pressure. Somewhere on your portfolio, you need to make a value scale. Here's one: light, medium, dark. You'll need to do hatching. Hatching is making dashed lines. Here's my example of hatching. You'll need to do cross hatching, where we cross our lines making X's. Here. You'll need to do blending. Blending works best with colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, I can color red, and I can create a new color, make a red-orange when I color orange over the top. Blending or coloring them over the top of each other. Here I'm going to take some yellow, color yellow over the top and keep going. This crayon must have been dirty. It made a little black mark. I can just scrape it off with my fingernail. Moving forward, you can take blue and color blue over the yellow. That'll make green, blending together. Keep going with blue. To make purple, you could take red over the top of blue, and that'll make purple. You'll also need to make a tint. A tint is when we have a color laid down and then you color white over the top to lighten it. It's lightening it. That's called a tint. A shade is when we use black over the top to darken it. And so I'm darkening that color by adding a little black to it. Tint and shade. On my portfolio, here is some blending I did. And here is some blending. Here is a tint. And here are a shade. And then a tint is right here. I added some white. You will need to do all of these techniques on your portfolio. When you color in a shape, you do not scribble. You outline it, color around it, and then color in that full shape, getting out all of your white spots. Your whole shape is colored in completely. You do not scribble. You color inside of your lines. We share our crayons with our friends at our tables. We take turns and we are kind.